How to cook air fryer pork belly strips. Absolutely delicious and really easy too. What you're going to first need to do is to just preheat your air fryer 200 degrees centigrade for a couple of minutes. Then I'm taking 450 to 500 grams of pork belly slices. They've been cut into 2 centimetre thickness and I'm just patting them dry because I find that this helps to get them nice and crispy. Then in a bowl it's 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic granules and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, along with a good grinding of black pepper. Just give that a good mix round. Then you want to brush it on all sides of the pork belly. Place it into the air fryer, just making sure there's a little room in between so that it cooks properly. Then your air fryer needs to be 200 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. Every few minutes or so, just move those pork belly slices around, and you just need to make sure towards the end of cooking that they get around about 68 degrees centigrade or more. Then for the last stage of cooking, I'd just like to turn them on the ends because I like that rind to get real crispy, like crackling. So it's another 200 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. And what you're left with is gorgeous, crispy, crunchy, crackling pork belly slices. Absolutely delicious. If you want the full recipe, you know where to go by now. My website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.